36 Raceway. World of Outlaws here tonight. Engine heat. My first time being here. Got Donnie. What? What?
How are you? Are you live?
No.
You gotta say hey. Welcome back. Welcome back.
To the good side, or?
I didn't say anything else.
Oh, okay.
I said welcome back.
Okay. I'm just making sure.
Been in jail lately?
No.
Nothing. You're good. Nobody beat you up or nothing.
We're waving the green flag. We're waving the green flag.
All right. Make sure everybody tune in and keep an eye on Chaz. He got some good stuff.
Oh, God. There you go. Oh, Lemmy running into us. You got Ripper there. Everybody is smiles here in the somewhat windy, not windy a lot. Little bit cold. Everybody's got the cart harness on tonight. Probably going to be around the 40s, upper 40s, 5 to 10 mile an hour winds. So pretty good weather forecast. As you got a few different cars here. Ryan Tim's making the tow over. And then you got the greatest sprint car driver in the world, David Gravel, here as well. Reese Moran is here. Landon Crawley is here. Just trying to think of some of the odd names that are in the building. I'll tell you what, Casey Zizrzak, I really like how I hope that it didn't destroy his name, but I really like how he's running this season in the Bill Rose car. Very impressive. I expect him to get a win here soon. Once again, Reese Moran is there. I believe Landon Crawley is parked in that position. You got Logan Julian in the 85. Of course, the Shark team. The 17's parking together and the 1's parking together. I don't know if there's some Illuminati stuff to that, but that's up for you to decide. Pitting area, pretty nice here, somewhat on a hill. The track is over here, so pits are off of 1 and 2. Workmeister is here, Houston's 305 guy who has moved his way up. He should do pretty good here. I've heard that this US 36 is a sister track to Eagle. And of course, the IMCA Race Saver Nationals happens at Eagle each year. And Workmeister, obviously a 305 driver, so he may do very well here. It'll be interesting to see how that goes. And then looking around, you got Macedo. He's in the back over there. Kofoid should be coming by soon. And then there's another driver I haven't talked about that is here. I didn't notice him. Matt Covington in the 95 ASCS regular. Be interesting to see how he does here tonight. And then Bryce Lucius, speaking of some of these non-outlaw guys who potentially could win a race here soon. Bryce Lucius already threatened to win a race this season, and he is probably due for another good run. There goes Kofoy in the 83. As they're doing pushing off cars around the corner here, trying to time it. Looks like we timed it the right way, and we're all getting across safely. But yeah, I'm telling you, I'm really impressed with Zizrzak. How you say it? Casey Zizrzak. I think that's right. If I'm wrong, then Mozilla Transportation my ass. But anyway, yeah, Zizrzak, I think that's how you say it. Casey Zizrzak or something like that. I think he's very impressive in the Bill Rose number 6. I think he's going to win a race this year. Zizrzak. There we go. Casey Zizrzak. I think I got it right. If I didn't get it right, blame the Czech Republic, because that's what it sounds like. But there's the pits off of 1 and 2 here at US 36 Raceway. And then here comes the track. We'll go over here and give you a little look of the track. Scales look to be right off of exiting turn 1 right here. It'll come right off the track onto the scales. As typical, World of Outlaws and National Series, not saying the High Limit doesn't, but the World of Outlaws and High Limit, these National Series, bringing their own scales to the track because we know how track scales can be. Ask Scott Bloomquist. But anyway, there's the scales for tonight's World of Outlaw NOS Energy Drink Sprint Car Series main event right off of turn 1. Let's go up there and see what the track actually looks like. I've been told this is a Eagle like I said, Eagle Raceway sister track. So I'm expecting a very high bank 1 and 2, and then a pretty high bank to 3 and 4. So we'll get over here and see. Oh wow. Oh wow. You may not be able to see it from your perspective, guys, but that's straight down. That if that's plain, that's kind of what that is. Oh wow. That is up on the lip. Kind of flows out through 1 and 2. Looks pretty good. And then 3 and 4, I would say, just from this perspective, not as banked as an Eagle. Not as much of a back straightaway either as Eagle. So a decent amount smaller than Eagle. Tighter, a smaller kind of sister track. And then I would say 3 and 4, not as banked. Not saying it's flat. Maybe if I walked over there, it would look pretty high banked. But this is a gargantuan of a corner. That banking going up there to that guardrail is unbelievable. So I could see why people do say a sister track to Eagle. I know some 305 guys, they really don't change their setups going back and forth because they race here regionally. But that is a hole, guys. I mean, you can kind of just tell how we're standing up here, and then look how far down that tire is. I mean, I'm standing on top of that tractor right now. If you know how tall that tractor might be, I mean, we're standing on top of the cab from where we're at right here. Especially when he's down there. It does look like maybe it goes downhill a little bit. It definitely looks like it goes downhill a little bit, uphill maybe a little bit, and then it looks like front straightaway kind of comes uphill at us. Just the slightest, not a lot. But you can tell right here I'm standing top 1 and 2 are on top of the cab. On top of the cab. We just had Emerson Axon walk up. Oh no. Or ride up, I guess. You didn't walk, did you?
No.
What are you thinking? You been here before or no? No?
No, first time.
A lot of people telling me it's a sister track to Eagle. Looks decently close.
Look kind of like Atomic with different dirt.
Atomic with different dirt.
That's probably why Sheldon's so good here.
Sheldon is that good, huh? Well, he wins. He does win. It definitely lips up right there near that wall. That's for sure.
It's flat.
What about you, Ricky? He just said Atomic.
Yeah, I think it,
Atomic with different dirt.
yeah, maybe a little bit smaller.
I heard a lot of the regional big guys say Eagle, but you haven't been there either. So, but you have been in Atomic, so that's a lot of banking.
Yeah.
And how that
Definitely smaller than Atomic. I think
Yeah.
a little bit smaller.
Yeah, definitely. So, not too much of a back straightaway at all. It looks like it circles off and dips right in. So, anyway, so this is the perspective. This is the first look at US 36 Raceway for me and for a lot of these drivers. Obviously, Emerson Axum and Ricky Peterson there. Emerson, of course, doing the rookie swing, Axum, and then Ricky Peterson trying to get some National 410 experience behind the wheel here in the Midwest, doing the trek with the Outlaws. Look at that. That's how much bacon he's struggling to keep up there on the outside with that big old thing. That is interesting. I guess, should we do a little walkthrough in the grandstands? No, we'll stay over here. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's our little walk in the pitting area and our little first track reaction here at US 36 Raceway here with the World of Outlaw Sprint Car Series. Been told I need to come here, check this place out. I like it so far. Let's see how the night goes. Wind's died down, pretty much gone right in front of me. It is going to be a little cold. Carhartts are out, but it should be good here tonight with the World of Outlaw NOS Energy Drink Sprint Car Series here at US 36 Raceway.